Hey beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Shimon Monet. Thank you so much for stopping by to check out this tutorial. In this video, I am featuring a full face of AJ Creme foundation. So if you've ever been interested in it or just want to see more, then stay tuned. Thanks. All right, beautiful people. So we're going to jump right into the face. And for this tutorial, I am going to be using AJ Creme foundation. And I have the shades 4, 4.5, 6.5, and 8. 8 is their darkest shade, and they have much lighter shades, but these are the 4 shades that I have currently. So originally I had bought 4.5 and 6.5 mixed together. They make my perfect shade, but it wasn't quite dark enough to contour and not quite light enough to highlight. So I'm going to shade up, half step up, and a lot darker. So let's see, on my skin I already have, what did I prime with? Badescu cucumber water, then my Embryolisse cream, and some vitamin E oil. That was probably like at least 30 minutes ago that I put that on my face. So now I'm just going to go in with some primers. First I'm going to use the POREfessionals to minimize these pores. I'm also going to put it in my smile lines a bit because it tends to crease there. Then I'm going to go in with my Maybelline primer. Maybelline Master Prime Blur Plus Smooth on the rest of my face. For those of you who are new to my channel and are not familiar, I do have dry skin. So this is a cream foundation, and I do a lot of priming because I have to make sure that I lock all the moisture into my skin, that it doesn't get into all my cracks and crevices. I'm gonna use one more Skindinavia makeup primer. And then I'm also, lastly, just going to hydrate my face some more with the Badescu Rosewater spray. So now that I'm nice and drenched, I'm going to be working this foundation in with the e.l.f. Ultimate Blending Brush. And I'm actually just going to use my fingers to go into 4.5, put some of that on. Then I'm going to take a different finger and go in with 6.5 right in between. Wipe that off. And I'm going to spray my brush with some e.l.f. Mist and Set. I'm just going to go ahead and work that into my skin.
Mainly focusing it where I'm not going to highlight. Just going to go in real light under the eye, barely putting anything there. But I'm going to highlight there. My nose is being really dry. It's winter time. My skin is dry. Don't want it getting into my hair, but I do want it to blend. Making sure that I bring it all the way over to my ears.
Down my jawline. And it's looking a little orangish around, so I'm gonna fix that up when I contour with the darker shade. I will kind of correct the shade down around there. I'm not gonna go crazy. So now that I've got my base on, looking very good, very skin-like, I'm gonna go in, and I haven't used this yet, so hoping that this works. I'm gonna go in with the shade 4. I'm gonna blend it out with the damp beauty blender that I'm getting all types of dirty because I keep jabbing my nails into this foundation. No, I just got it all over my beauty blender. I'm gonna use the other side. I just messed that up, guys. So I'm gonna go on with 4 to highlight with.
Alright, let's start with that. See how we look. And again, I just messed up this beauty blender. It was perfect.
So definitely one of the things that I really like about this foundation is it's super easy to blend because it's so creamy. It's a cream. It's very easy to blend and it just like melts into your skin. Y'all see that? Like it's just melting. It's no harsh lines. It's flowing right into the rest of the foundation. Looks really good. So I'm loving the finish. I'm gonna go in and just set this highlight really quick with some SACHA Buttercup, and then I'm gonna go back in to contour. I just don't want this to crease up on me. Oops. More than it already is. I crease no matter what, but just want to set it really quick. I don't bake, I just lightly set just to lock it in. And also this foundation does have a very dewy finish, which I personally love, but I have dry skin, so if you have oily skin, then you definitely want to make sure you set really well. But I'm dry, especially now in this old blizzard weather we're having. I am so dry, so I'm just gonna lightly set like I normally would. Brush off any excess. There's really none, but whatever may be lingering around, brush that off. And then I'm gonna go in. I'm gonna do a mix of 6.5 and 8 to contour. So as you can see, 6.5 by itself. It's a real light, subtle contour. I'm gonna bring that online. And again, remember this is a little light down here, so I'm gonna make sure that I contour really well because my neck is darker than my face. So I don't try to match my neck. It's always been darker, but I don't want there to be a stark line. So now I'm gonna go in with 8. Whew. And kind of mix that in. Take it along my jawline a little bit more. And I'm gonna come back and do my nose because I don't want to go too crazy with this dark shade. And again, contouring just helps to bring the definition back to your face. So I am just contouring. I naturally have a contour without any makeup, so I'm literally just right where my face naturally gets dark, just making that dark again, bringing the dimension back to my face. I'm just gonna go back in with a little bit more down here. And I mix the two. There we go. Just because my neck is darker, I can kind of fade that in a little bit better. It's so creamy, it just melts away. Okay, so that's better. See how like it doesn't look so different. So even though my neck is a lot darker than my face, it's not that clear like, oh girl, your foundation don't match. No, I gotta work with what I got. So we're gonna make that a little bit darker to blend on down into my neck. And my face is looking good. Just going over everything, making sure that there aren't any harsh lines, which there aren't, but just making sure. And now I'm gonna go on with my nose. And I have foundation all over my hands because I've been using my hands to apply it. And I'm just gonna use 6.5 on my nose. Really lightly. All right, so that's the foundation. I'm going to set my face with my black Opal True Color Soft Velvet Finishing Powder in the shade Dark. And then I'm going to set my contour. Just taking a little bit. Again, I like the dewiness of this foundation, so not really trying to mattify it, but I'm just trying to set my face. And my nose has this one little piece of skin that like does not want to leave. Oh no, my nose is flaking up. So I'm going to have to like set my nose really well because it's flaking. I'm not ready to set it yet. But yeah, this is the story of my life with dry skin. Because I exfoliated before I even started filming this. So I'm not going to mess with that too much right now. Oh, I ain't set my contour. Let me set my contour and then I'll mist my face. I'm going to contour with the Crayon Case Contourisition notebook. Well, set my contour really. With these two darker powders, Bricky and Bobby. Just recently got this. If you saw my haul video, then you know. But yeah, I'm liking it so far. I don't have any complaints. Powders are easy to blend, get a nice color payoff with just a little bit of product. I'm gonna take that lighter brown only just to contour my nose lightly. And y'all know I'm super big on blending. I like everything to look seamless. I don't want you to see any lines, at least for me. I'm just going for natural. And do y'all see like this foundation looks like my skin? So now I need to fix all of this before I go into blush and stuff. So I'm spraying the Mario Badescu because it's gonna hydrate my nose and I'm gonna try to get this dry skin off without irritating it too much. All right. So because my skin is flaking, I'm actually just peeling off the skin. Cause I got dry skin. What I'm supposed to do? What you want me to do, sis? What? So That was just to add some hydration. All right, so now I'm just gonna do blush real quick. Y'all already know. And I think I'm gonna use a little bit of Abby today. This really dark blush. I'm gonna start that back here. It's almost like just deepening up the contour a bit, but it's my blush. Because my eyes are like so dark. I don't know, I just like that. Then on the apples, I'm gonna go in with Neo. My fave. Just a little bit more reddish, maroonish. Ooh, I like that. All right, for highlighter, I'm just gonna go on with my Anastasia Sun Dipped. Ooh, through my brush. I'm gonna use Summer. Nose. Cupid's bow. Highest points of my cheek. Then I'm gonna go in with bronzed right on top of that. All right, you guys, so this is the finished look. I definitely hope that you guys enjoyed this tutorial. If so, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, comment below, share it if you want to. And if you're not already subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe. You can hit that button. It's right below. It's real easy to click. Boop, you're subscribed. But yeah, guys, thank you so much for checking out this tutorial. And until next time, be blessed. Bye.